on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So been away for a minute, haven't been uploading as much as I should have, so I figured I'd get back to you guys with a little setup video that I have. I've had a lot of questions from all you guys. Question me about my bike setup, the mods that I have. Question me about how I set up my GoPro and my helmet, what kind of GoPro I have, what kind of adapter I have, stuff like that. So I just want to get you guys a good video so you guys could see exactly what I have. That way you guys can get into it, and if you guys want to start recording, you guys can take the same stuff I have, do it the same way, or you guys can switch it up. So yeah, let's get started. All right, guys, so let's get into it. So we'll start off by my helmet. This is my daily helmet, the only one I wear. It's got the mirrored visor on it. It's a built Force 10. I got my GoPro Hero 4 Black Edition. This is the only GoPro I have, the only one I use. And I have my mic adapter that I use for, almost lost it, that I use for my GoPro. It is not a GoPro mic adapter. I suggest you don't buy one of those, and I'll explain why. And I have my GoPro side mount, which I will have all of these down in the description, so you can kind of go forth and get whatever kind of stuff you want that I have. So starting off, what I do is I would just turn on my GoPro, except I don't have a battery in there, so we're not going to worry about that. So you can get this on Amazon. This is where I got it. A motovlogger that I follow, I don't know if you guys will know his name. His name's Motovlogging. Pretty popular dude. Kind of one of the first guys I started watching, but this is where I got it from him. So one of the things that I left out was a mic. I have a mic, and let's see, I don't know if you can see it, but I have a mic set up right here. It just kind of comes out right here. This is just the mic. It has just a little wind resistor on it, but all I do, so it's just a mic, and I have just a lapel mic. That's what most people call it, is just a lapel mic. Comes in like 2 foot lengths, but I just open it up and I tuck it back in here because I gotta roll it up. See, as you can see it right there. I roll it up, put it in the cheek pad, and push my cheek pad in. I also have it taped in there just so it doesn't go anywhere. I just use some Gorilla tape because it's probably the best option that I have. So that goes in there, and then it comes up and through the front part of the helmet right here. Goes up, and I just use Gorilla tape on the front to hold the mic in place. So this is just like the 3.5 millimeter male side over here. And then what I do is I take this adapter, which has been a really good adapter that I have used probably for like 6 months. The GoPro one, I've been through 2 GoPro adapters. They like to snap on the ends right here and come out. The electric parts like to come out on the sides of the wires. So this is probably the best one that I've used, and I got this adapter from watching other motovloggers named Straight 05 Speed. Don't know if you guys know them or not, but just so you guys know who they are. So then what I do is I take the tape back just a little bit, and I put the female part of the adapter to it, snap it in, and then sometimes I have to change the tape. Not very often have I had to, and then I put the tape back over. So the tape's covering both the male and the female part, the adapter and the mic, together at the same time. And then I just have my mount right here. So the reason I have it on the side is because of the helmet that I have. A lot of the AGVs, the bells, and some of the builds like I have a more angled front, which you can't put a GoPro mount here. It doesn't fit, it likes to poke off the sides. So you have to go with the rounded GoPro mount. This is the housing for the GoPro, and then the GoPro mount. So this just pretty much take the GoPro, put the GoPro in, and you take the helmet, and I like it on the right side. Some people put it on the left, just kind of depends on where you want to put it. I take it, snap it in, just like that, and then I have my cord, my adapter that I plugged in a second ago, and I like to go around the back side of my GoPro. That way I can hide it so it's not sitting here flapping in the wind. And then on the side where I had to drill a housing or a hole for the adapter to go in order to go into the GoPro, I literally just snap it in, and I can adjust it like front and back if I want. I have it a little tight, so it sits like that. So that's pretty much the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hopefully that helped you guys out. You guys can get a good setup and be able to start vlogging or just record your own video if you want. That's totally up to you guys, but I hope I helped out. Just kind of wanted to show you guys how I have my setup and what I do. I don't have the most expensive or coolest stuff, but it's stuff that works and stuff that I like. So if you like what I have, go ahead, I'll put the links down in the description. You guys can check it out. You guys can go ahead and purchase it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for all the feedback. I really appreciate everything you guys have been doing. I didn't expect all the views and comments that I had for my videos, but it's made me want to go forward and create more videos for you guys. So I'm proud to do that. So if you guys have any other questions, definitely keep commenting, keep letting me know what you guys think of my videos. And don't forget to hit that sub button. It shows me that you guys care. Hit the bell, that way you guys can see when I upload these new videos. And I'll talk to you guys in the next video.